Hi, I'm hungry. I want something delicious.
Add baking soda.
Add milk.
Add the water.
Add butter. Now add sugar.
Add egg. Well done! Roll the roller in the dough. Wow! Make a dough. Place the ring. Place the ring. Fantastic! Open the door. Put the tray in oven. On the oven. Off the oven. Open the door. Well done! Wow!
Select your favorite ribbon. The packing item.
Great!
Take your gift.
That food was delicious.